Here's some more of the must-haves for 2023. Access to experience-based repair information related to vehicle issues. How important is that kind of information, Kyle, in Identifix to your technicians in your shops?
Let's highlight a word here, experience-based. It didn't just say resource-based, it said experience-based. That means that someone has touched it, has messed with it before. That's what's huge about it, right? It's not just, hey, I'm giving you a book, like when you go off to college and they give you a book of information and there's no experience behind it. The resources that are available as a technician on Identifix, because of those specific wording, you couldn't have hit it better. It's unfathomable. The experience is what highlights there. It's an experience base of information, and it's just invaluable as a technician in the field.